This is Buzzy Bee here again on Rolling Downs Radio, just waiting for all you listeners to give me a buzz.
Hi, Buzzy. It's Mary Lou.
Hi, Mary Lou. And how can we help you today?
Help me? No, I'm just giving you a buzz to say that I may be a little late to help you finish painting your studio tonight.
Oh, that's all right.
I will be with you when I've finished helping Dorable fix her duckling's bedroom light.
That's no problem.
And Ali needs my help to practice her new song for her concert.
Not to worry.
Oh, and I did promise to help Driver Don fit a new tyre to his truck at some point.
Whoa there, Mary Lou. Are you sure you aren't the one who needs help?
Me? What do you mean?
Well, do you remember the day it rained and rained?
Yes, but what has the rain got to do with my needing help?
Aha! Let's see if you can spot the answer to that.
Hey, Driver Don, what are you doing?
Moving this bench to the Rotunda. It's very heavy, Mary Lou, so stand back.
You're nearly there. Would you like a push?
I'll manage on my own, thank you.
Look out!
Oh, what now?
I thought... Ali, are you there?
Oh, do you need some help?
Help? No, I can do it myself. Anyway, you'd only get in my way. Again.
Me?
We were only trying to help you, Driver Don. You'd move that bench a lot quicker if you just say yes.
No, I don't need any help. I can do it by myself. Oh, what's that?
Oh, it's rolling down rain! Quick, Driver Don, you can't stay out here in the rain. Hurry!
Look, my darlings, look, darlings. Look.
Oh, isn't it the prettiest sight you've ever seen?
Here I come! Phew! Oh, that was exciting. Isn't the rain amazing?
Couldn't have come at a worse time if you ask me. No, this should not be happening. Rain's supposed to roll away down the plug, isn't it?
Oh, yes, the plug. Now, where was it again? Oh, now I remember. It's right.
Over there!
Oh, you know.
Yes, but we can't reach it. The rain balls are too deep.
Oh, dear. What are we going to do?
There's only one person who can help us now. Ellie!
Ellie? What can she do to help?
Swim, of course. Ellie!
Hi. Did you call me?
Yes, Ellie. Could you please help us find out why the rain plug isn't working?
Oh, yes. I'll help you, Buzzy. It's blocked. See?
By Driver Don's bench.
What? Ah, yes. We must have slid down by accident.
If you'd let Ali and me help you move the bench, none of this would have happened.
Oh, crikey.
Help move the... That's it! We can all help move it. Mary Lou, if you could give Ali that rope, she could swim down and tie it to the bench.
Great idea, Buzzy.
Okay.
She did it! Okay,
Let's work together.
everyone, pull!
We did it!
Together! Thanks, Ellie. Without your help, we would all still be stuck on the Rotunda.
And I'd never have got the bench here. It's a perfect spot.
And?
Oh, I'm sorry, Ellie, for being such a grump earlier. I should have let you both help.
Oh, I think we can safely say that's the last rolling down rain we'll see for a while. Oh!
Apart from that one. Well, did you spot how Driver Don's rainy day could help you, Mary Lou?
Sorry, Buzzy. I was just wondering where I'm going to find time to clean my garage.
Aha! Maybe this next caller spotted it.
Hi, Buzzy. I know the answer.
Great, Driver Don. What is it?
Well, just like I should have said yes in that story, Mary Lou just needs to say no.
What? I always say no to my friends.
Really?
Really? I said no to Driver Don yesterday when he offered to help me move those boxes.
That's true, but...
I said no to Dorable when she offered to help clean these windows, and no to Ellie when she wanted to help tidy up these shelves.
Ah, yes. But you only ever say no when your friends offer you help.
But you never say no when they ask you for help.
No, I mean, yes, I guess. But I love to help my friends.
And your friends love to help you too, but you never let them.
You're right.
So, would you like our help to tidy up your garage?
No, that is... Yes, please. That would be a big help.
I'm on my way.
Dorable is coming.
Count Ellie in.
Whoa, the lines are jammed with helpers. It looks like you're going to have a very clean garage very soon, Mary Lou.
Oh, that's great. Thanks, Buzzy. Thanks, everyone. Letting friends help you really does feel as good as helping them.
You bet. Okay, let's get started. Hey, listeners, do you have a story about asking for help? I'd love to hear your own stories. So come along, kids, buzz me.
And Buzz me.
It's real easy for you to do. Go to rdr.tv.
Yeah.
Buzzy, bye for now.